SAP S/4hana Part 18. What are some of the advanced techniques for managing material requirements planning (MRP) in SAP MM, including handling of planning parameters and safety stock levels? Material requirements planning (MRP) is a key component of SAP MM that helps manage the flow of materials in the supply chain. Advanced techniques can be used to improve the accuracy of MRP, thereby reducing the risk of stockouts and overstocking. Handling of planning parameters. One of the advanced techniques for managing MRP in SAP MM is to carefully manage planning parameters such as reorder point, safety stock, and lot size. The reorder point is the level at which a new order should be placed, while safety stock is the amount of stock kept in reserve to cover unexpected demand. The lot size determines the quantity of materials ordered. To optimize MRP, it's important to set these parameters based on historical demand, lead times, and supplier reliability. For example, a higher safety stock level may be required for materials with longer lead times or less reliable suppliers. Capacity planning. Capacity planning is another advanced technique for managing MRP in SAP MM. Capacity planning helps ensure that there is enough production capacity to meet demand. It involves analyzing the production schedule, identifying capacity constraints, and making adjustments to ensure that production is optimized. SAP MM provides capacity planning functionality that can be used to identify capacity constraints and create an optimized production schedule. This helps ensure that materials are produced in a timely manner and that inventory levels are kept at the optimal level. Overall, by carefully managing planning parameters, safety stock levels, and capacity planning, businesses can improve the accuracy of MRP, reduce the risk of stockouts and overstocking, and improve overall inventory management.